person is mentally challenged and cannot think of what is good or bad for him or her, how can other person, is there any way other person can help that person to exhaust the vasanas, or can wish for a better life or a moksha for that soul or that jiva?
So the person who is mentally challenged is to exhaust certain karmas they are going through in a certain way, certain difficulties at physical, mental level, and others can help them either by trying to impart to them knowledge in the way in which they can understand, or if they are able to learn through the specific, there are special ways in which they can learn, comprehend. That is one way to help. Second way is if they are able to decide for them what is right and wrong, that is another way to help them. But moksha, etc., one can only pray to Bhagwan that they come from that level to the normal level, then the evolution can happen faster. When they overcome the mental challenges, by normal level, I don't mean that in a negative way, that they are right now in not a normal level. Mental challenges also are normal. What I mean is the ability to comprehend the subtle path of spirituality, they must be able to come to that level first. Then one can strive for moksha. It is not possible that they can strive for moksha by themselves with the mental challenges. What we can definitely do is pray to Bhagwan to invoke the grace of Bhagwan on them and help them to evolve faster and help them to surrender. And through that, with Bhagavad Kripa, whatever evolution, when it happens, as it progresses, then eventually one will attain moksha. Whether it will happen in that same life or further, that again is not in our hands. We can only pray and pray with sincerity and with faith that let Ishwar Kripa be on them. Also see the positive side, because sometimes their minds are more purer also, because not corrupted by many cunning, manipulative ways of the world. So in that sense, the mind is more purer. So the grace of Bhagwan can function more easily in them. So we can, with all Shraddha, pray for them. If they can also do that in whatever way, they can learn it and they can connect to the Lord and pray and surrender, then it becomes possible to evolve and through that ultimately realize the truth.